I am keeping it simple this Sunday with an upcycled tin can turned into a cute little vase. So hang out with me for a few minutes and see how easy this is to put together. This is a super easy DIY. I used a tin can and some fabric and some florals, all stuff that I had on hand, nothing purchased, just real easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the tin can and I'm going to wrap it with the fabric. And it turns out that this actually ends up kind of special for me. It was brought to my attention by my mom that this fabric likely belonged to my grandmother. And she passed in 93, I think it was, yeah. But she's pretty much where my mother and I both have inherited, well, and my aunts have all inherited our crafty genes from her. So it's come full circle. Grandma, if you're watching, I know you'd love it. So I'm just going to go ahead and measure out where I need to cut this fabric in order for it to fit on my can. I'm going to tuck it in around the top a little bit, but it's going to go right to that very bottom lip of the tin can. So I'm just taking a pen and ruler and marking it out. I think this is going to be one of the easiest DIYs I've done in a while. So just taking my Ginger seamstress shears, the beasts. I'm just going to go ahead and carefully cut along that line. I'm trying to stay on it. I could have gotten my rotary cutter out. Honestly, I don't know where I put it. It's disappeared into the other realm of where things go when you don't know where you put them, I guess. I don't know. So I've got that cut, and I'm going to go ahead and use some hot glue and wrap it around this can. This video is part of the K.I.S.S challenge, Keep It Simple Sunday, and this is hosted by Melissa Makes It DIY, and her co-host this time is That Crafting Lady. I'll have their links and the link to the playlist in my description box as always. Make sure to check out all of the playlist and like, comment, subscribes for the YouTubey goodness, as I like to say, on all of the videos. Simple DIYs are sometimes just the best, you know. Not everything has to be elaborate, right? And it's almost Christmas. Nobody's got time to go into all of that to make, you know, intricate crafts. But speaking of simple crafts, let's get back to this one. So like I said, I'm just gonna hot glue this using my new little pink wireless glue gun. And yeah, it's easy. I thought about Mod Podging it, but I was trying to hurry, you know, and it's adhering to fabric, but it is on metal, so that could be problematic, but I'm gonna wrap it over on itself, so it should hold. Yeah, it'll hold. Right, yeah. So I'm just doing that. Nothing, again, it's simple. It's nothing, you know, fancy. You could do this with scrapbook paper or craft paper or peel and stick vinyl. You could do it with, you know, you could paint it and put regular vinyl on it, whatever, you know. Aluminum cans, tin cans like this are so versatile. Before I started my channel, way before I started my channel, back in like 2012, I want to say 2013, I started doing crafts and selling at a local market, and I think honestly, yeah, I was ahead of my time because I put a lot of effort into doing some of that stuff. You know, I should have been filming it, but you know, I wasn't really thinking about YouTube as a, you know, potential career. I was trying to get recognized in the community of, 5 people because it's a small town. And so I was like, oh, okay. And I was fairly priced and nobody bought anything, whatever. It's fine. But I was doing this same kind of thing, simple, easy crafts that, um, you know, looked custom. Well, they were custom, but that were nice. So again, I was ahead of my time. It happens, but I'm here now, and I'm doing the same thing because now it's trendy. It wasn't then. So there it is. I mean, look how easy that was. Some hot glue and roll it on, and all I gotta do is tack that down just to give it a clean, look. You know. And so, if I decide to shove anything down in there, I don't accidentally slice myself because I didn't sand it or anything. Again, keeping it simple. So that's pretty much it. Um, I'm going to apologize for my mic sound. I am using my headset mic instead of my studio mic for this. Again, I'm sticking with the keep it simple theme. I didn't feel like unplugging and plugging and all this stuff. So I'm just going to take this beautiful satin ribbon, which I have no idea where it came from or how long I've had it, but it was in my stash. And I'm just going to go around it. Same thing, hot glue. Gonna dab a hot glue on there. And then I'm going to make a simple little bow for the front. It's so easy. And it's pretty. And after my mom told me about the fabric, it dawned on me that I kind of remember as a kid seeing puffy ornaments. So my grandma, she was the queen of DIY. Oh my gosh. Let me tell you, if recording and YouTube and those things were a thing back in the day, she'd have been a star. She could make beautiful stuff out of literally nothing and just, yeah. I was wearing a unicorn headband. Don't ask. Anyway, so there was a point. I don't remember what it was. My grandma. Yeah. So she made the ornaments for the tree a lot. And she would cut out like stars or angels or trees. She would use cookie cutters for patterns and stuff like that. Sometimes it would be hand stitched, but she was a whiz with a sewing machine. I am not. And stuffed with, with batting, like for a pillow. And these, cute little puffy, ornaments for the tree. And we would make them together with my cousins and stuff. So, we always crafted together. It was fun. So I'm just taking this, just a bunch of poinsettia red December flowers that are poisonous to animals if they're real. Uh, because words are hard. So, and these berry picks, and this is all part of that massive thrift haul of florals, which I've talked about several times on this channel because it's so unbelievable. I have so much. It's crazy. So I didn't shove any floral foam or anything down in there. I just shoved this stuff. Oh, did I shove floral foam in? No, I didn't. I just stuck it in there and I'm sticking the picks in it at random. Well, not at random. Try to make it look nice. That's all I'm doing. It's not hard. It's a real easy craft, really cheap, simple, and very festive. It's perfect for Christmas. And it's something you can whip up in just a few minutes, so that's always a plus. All right, there it is. A simple DIY you can put together really quick for decorating for Christmas. It's cheap, it's easy, you can't beat it. Make sure you check out the playlist. That link and the link to Melissa and that crafting lady are in my description box. So make sure you check that out. And like I said, spread the YouTubey goodness. And while you're at it, check out that little red button up there. It says subscribe. Will you go ahead and click that for me? I'm so close to my goal of 1,000 subscribers. I'm trying to get there before the 31st of December. So help me out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, y'all. Bye.